We on play? Is it live? Are we live? Babe, are we live? Hey all, welcome back to SLB, Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Here at SLB, we strive to deliver amazing cocktails. They're not only delicious, but they're incredibly approachable. If that's what you're looking for, please hit that subscribe button. That would help us out immensely. That'd be big. Once you've done that, please hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss a single episode, and feel free to comment below. If you have a drink request or any kind of suggestion for the show, we'd be happy to look at it and see what we can do. All right, with this coronavirus going on, we have been at home and way more than we normally are. My wife and I are usually out and about and doing our thing, and we're not usually homebodies. But with all this stuff going around, we've been forced to stay at home. And so the other night we got a little bit cantankerous, and we came down to the bar and we started to see if we can make our own Quarantini. So let's get in on it. This is the SLB Quarantini. We're going to start out with 1.5 ounces of Midori, which is basically a melon liqueur. 1.5 ounces. Well, good Lord Almighty. There we go. All right, we're going to follow that up with 3/4 ounces of Cointreau. If you don't have Cointreau at home, you can easily substitute for your triple sec of your choice. 3/4 ounces triple sec. 3/4 ounce lemon juice, freshly squeezed. And lastly, I hit it up with just a little bit of simple syrup just to round everything out and get everything softened up in there. Get some ice. We're going to give it a shake. That should do it. Stuff out of our way here. I've got a martini glass ready to go. Believe it or not, my wife and I found these martini glasses in an antique store for like $1 a piece. They're fantastic. Don't pass up those antique stores, secondhand shops, Goodwill stores for your glassware. Get some good buys. As you can see, that melon liqueur is going to give that a nice green hue. Pretty cool looking. I've got a little bit of a lemon peel here, just a little bit. I'm going to express that over the glass. Rub that just a touch. Get that lemon essence on the rim of the glass and just drop it right in. There you have it, the SLB Quarantini. Let's give it a shot. Other than slopping some down the side of the glass, it's actually really good. You get that melon shining through, and then just the Cointreau and the lemon juice and the simple syrup rounds it all out. It's actually pretty darn good. If I were you, I'd give it a shot at home. Feel free also, when I give you recipes to certain cocktails, if you feel to eliminate the simple syrup altogether, then by all means do so. If you want to raise the triple sec a little bit and drop down the lemon juice a little bit, back to what we always say, if the cocktail you like is in the glass, then you've done it right. So feel free to play with it, move it around a little bit and find what you like. But the bones of this cocktail is really good. Thank you so much for watching the show. We really appreciate that. You can find us on Facebook, SLB, Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also hit us up on Instagram. You can find us there at SLB Drinks. And as always, please drink responsibly. Very important. See ya.